cleaning is no joke. Between uses, you should always wash, rinse, and sanitize your bottles, jugs, caps, and pour spouts. Sanitizing these items will break the bacteria chain and greatly increase the shelf life of your flavor. You can make a sanitizing solution by mixing chlorine bleach with water, or you can use a commercial sanitizing solution like I am. In either case, we recommend that you follow the guidelines provided by the manufacturer of these sanitizing products, as well as the guidelines of your local health authorities. Sanitizing is a 4-step process. First, fill a sink with hot soapy water and wash each item thoroughly. Second, rinse each item. Third, place the items in the sanitizing solution for 1 minute. Last, it is important that you allow each item to air dry. The sanitizer works over time, and the use of towels for drying recontaminates equipment and utensils with bacteria. Establish protocols for when you will sanitize your equipment and how you will do it to ensure the quality and safety of your product. Check your local requirements and make sure you are in compliance.